10 minutes. That's how long I stood there watching my toilet tank crawl back up after a flush. And I knew something wasn't right. I figured it was just old pipes at first, but it turned out to be something completely different. Before we start, drop a comment and tell us where in the world you're watching this from. Always curious who's dealing with the same toilet troubles as me. Okay, back to the slow fill. Here are the 3 reasons this happens. Reason 1. A partially closed shut-off valve. Behind or below your toilet, there's a small valve that controls water flow into the tank. If it's not fully open, it restricts how fast water can come in, even if everything else is working fine. I checked mine, gave it a full turn, and the fill speed picked up immediately. Reason 2. A clogged or dirty fill valve. Inside the tank, the fill valve is what actually controls the water coming in. Over time, sediment and mineral buildup can clog it, slowing everything down. I turned off the water, lifted the valve cap, and gave it a quick clean, and the difference was immediate. Reason 3. Low household water pressure. Sometimes it's not the toilet at all, it's your home's water pressure. If other faucets are also running slower than usual, that's a sign the issue is bigger than just the toilet. This one might need a plumber to check your main line or pressure regulator. Once I fixed the valve issue, my tank started filling at full speed again, like nothing was ever wrong. And that's it, 3 simple checks that could save you a plumber's visit.